There are two ways to change the tempo using the scene in Ableton Live 11. First one is very simple. Just take your mouse to the master. As soon as you take the mouse there, you'll see the small bracket which appears. Hold your mouse, just drag open, and you'll see these small boxes with tempo information in it. Right now they are all grayed out because you've not edited any tempo there. So let's go ahead and enter a number. So say 80. I want to change the tempo to 80 in this scene. As soon as I do that, I see a blue play button which appears in that scene showing me that I've edited the tempo in that scene. Let's go ahead and do the same thing in the next scene. So let's enter 200 and a blue button again which appears showing me that I've edited a tempo in that scene. So now let's hear it along with the metronome. So the first scene is going to be at the default tempo of 120. Now let's change it to 80. Now let's go to 200. This was the first way. So the second way is, you see these numbers which are there. All you have to do is just double click on any of them and you'll see this window which opens on the bottom left with a lot of settings. For this tutorial, we'll stick to the tempo. So let's go ahead and enter 80. As soon as I do that, the box turns dark and I see a blue play button again on top. Now let's change the tempo in the next scene by double clicking it again, and again, let's say 200 is what I want to enter here. Again, the box turns black or dark gray and a blue play button appears in this scene showing me that I've edited the tempo in that. So now let's hear the tempo changes with this method. Okay, this is playing at 200. Let's check the one with 80. So that's how you change the tempo using the scene in Ableton Live 11.